Do you know that you don't have a credit score until FICO calculates the data when the report is pulled? A credit score cannot be calculated until you have a credit report, and you do not have a credit report until you have a credit account reported in your name. Credit scores are a numerical summary of information in your credit report. The scores are used to gauge your credit worthiness and predict the likelihood that you will pay your debts on time. The information in your credit report is a compilation of your credit accounts, including credit cards, loans, and any negative records such as debt collections and lawsuit judgments.